How many times have you eaten while distracted? Perhaps you are watching videos on your phone, catching up on emails, or scrolling through social media. The truth is, in our fast paced world, it's easy to lose touch with the present moment. We rush from one activity to the next, not fully aware of what's happening around us or how we're feeling. But here's a way to reclaim those moments and bring back the joy of truly experiencing life. This is where mindfulness comes in. Mindfulness teaches you to be fully present in the moment, paying attention to your thoughts, emotions, and how they influence your actions. A mindful mindset is fully aware of the present moment, observes thoughts and feelings without labeling them as good or bad, embraces experiences as they are without resistance or denial, recognizes and manages emotions effectively without being overwhelmed, adapts to changes and challenges with resilience and an open mind. So, how can you get started? It's simple. Take intentional pauses and breathe. It helps break the autopilot mode and brings awareness to the present. Observe your thoughts, emotions, body sensations. Listen to what is happening within you and around you. Release any tension and choose to act instead of react. Revisit challenging situations from your day and consciously explore how you could have responded differently. So take that first step today, learn from your experiences, and trust the process.